So are you looking for a precise sieve shaker that can handle a lot of particles? The Rotap RX-94 sieve shaker just might be your solution. Stick around. Hi, I'm Candace, and there are dozens of sieve shakers with dozens of different specifications and capabilities on the market. It can sometimes be hard to figure out which one is right for you. That said, what exactly is a Rotap RX-94? WS Tyler has been a leading manufacturer of particle analysis equipment for over 110 years and is here to help you pinpoint which sieve shaker will deliver the best possible results based on your specific needs. So in this video, we'll go over what a Rotap RX-94 is, how the 94 works, what sieves can be used with it, how to set it up, the typical maintenance you should expect, and how much the Rotap RX-94 costs. The WS Tyler Rotap RX-94 is a mechanical sieve shaker designed to work with two stacks of test sieves. But this device facilitates particle movement in both stacks using a single hammer, similar to the RX-29. The Rotap RX-94 has a similar operation to an RX-29. It uses oscillating movements and tapping motions to promote particle movement throughout the stack of sieves. You can expect the RX-94 to perform 278 oscillations per minute and 150 taps per minute. These are the exact RX-29 specifications that dozens of industry standards reflect. The RX-94 also features a similar digital timer as other Rotap models that allow the lab technicians to accurately test material for up to 99 minutes. It's been discovered that it's beneficial to run another end-of-sieving analysis when switching from an RX-29 to the RX-94. This is mainly because the hammer of the machine is the same size and weight as the RX-29. However, the force is being distributed between two stacks of sieves. This is especially true when you're working with material 200 mesh and finer. The RX-94 is designed to run with two stacks of 8-inch or 200mm diameter test sieves. Each stack can consist of 6 sieves with a pan, whereas when you're using half-height sieves, the stacks can consist of 13 test sieves with a half-height pan. With that being said, your sieve stacks must be the same height when conducting a sieve analysis on the RX-94. Much like the other Rotap devices, initial setup is easy. Simply plug the device into an appropriate power outlet, place your sieve stacks on the device, fasten them down using the included lid, and set the timer. The RX-94 should be placed on either a sturdy table or on the floor. A sound enclosure kit that's specially designed for the RX-94 can be purchased to not only minimize the sound, but more importantly to maximize the safety of lab technicians. The Rotap RX-94 does rely on several brass parts to function correctly, much like other Rotap devices. Depending on the amount of usage, you'll want to keep an eye on the eccentric disc, the bushings, and any of the other brass parts for wear. You'll want to keep the rods that allow the sieve stack height to be adjusted clean and free of any damaging debris. This is especially true when you typically use fewer test sieves. And lastly, you'll want to keep a close eye on the cork that rests on top of the sieve cover. This is because the cork is constantly being beaten up by the hammer and sees the most wear. To ensure your RX-94 continues to perform as it should, you should always inspect all aspects of your machine, from the hammer to the timing belt, regularly. The Rotap RX-94 is $5,465. The price of the overall order, however, will vary based on if you need test sieves or wish to pair it with a sound enclosure. Additionally, as sieves are not included with the purchase of a Rotap device, the cost of any sieves you may need can also contribute to an increased price expectation. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to request a quote, fill out our Contact Us form so we can answer your specific questions. Just click the link in the description. And if you want to learn more about woven wire mesh or any of our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click the second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, I'm Candace, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.